Hey everyone, it's my pleasant moment having to you. My name is Rudresh Sisodia and we are going to study over a simple C++ program. In this video we will learn how C++ program work. This total view is a C++ program and after run this program you will see the output which is the right of your side. We are going to take a deep dive into this program and learn each and every aspect. Now, the hash include iostream.h is the first line in our program. The thing which start with hash symbol are called preprocessive directive. Please care about every single line because it's very important to you to listen carefully. In a C and C++ language, please take a note. I think there is a no more effort I take to understand you that it basically means actually it's telling the compiler or the operating system that include the iostream.h file. Now here iostream.h is a one type of a header file present in a C++ library and here .h mean extension. I hope you might have know about what is the extension. Now extension told us what the type of file. Here .h told the compiler or the operating system this is the header type of file. In iostream.h file there is some program are written. Now this program told the compiler that if you found anything like cout and a cin, print the thing and take an input from the user respectively. Well, this program is done by me for your understanding, which is initially wrote in a C and assembly language by the developer who create the C++ language. If you deep dive one more step, then you can see here iostream.h file extended in a 4-tier. Extended in a 4-tier means extended in a 4 layer. The first one is the I, which tell about the input. The second one is the O, which tell about output, and stream, which mean you can see in a picture how the reverse water flow one direction to another. Here the stream mean is the same input and output direction, and finally .h, which we have done earlier. Now I can say that you are now fulfilled about the first line of the code. You have know about what is the methodology behind this first line. Let's move further. The second line is in our program is a hash include conio.h. This file only work in MS-DOS compiler. If you try to run this program in any other instead of MS-DOS compiler, it would flag an error message. In this file there is a two function already written. The first one is the clrscr function and the second one is the getch. So it told the compiler if you see clrscr function then clear the screen, because the clear the screen is a work by clrscr function. Erase all the previous data available on the screen, and if you found the getch function then wait until the user not press any key on the keyboard. Again, I'm writing this for your understanding because of this totally wrote in C and assembly language by the developer who create the language. If we deep dive one more step again, you can see there is a conio.h file extended in a 3 layer. The first one is a console. Now what do you mean by console? The console is nothing but your computer or laptop screen, and IO stand for input and output respectively. It means that input and output operation will happen on your console, which is also known as a black output screen most of the people. Now you are boosting your knowledge to having a patient and watching the total video. It's time for a cheer, and let's move further. In this slide you can see void main function. Actually this is the central part of our program. Here void means nothing and void stand here as a return data type of the main function, and main, this name is the function name. Please note down one more important part here. Main function is always called by the operating system. Main function is always called by the operating system. We don't take any care. and there is open curly and close and there is open and close curly bracket next the function name. In this bracket we can define our action. Now the question time means the question is what is the return type. So what type of value function are gonna to return to the operating system, on the basis this return type take place. Here main function return nothing, so here we use a void return data type, which please note one more thing, void is also a data type, and say void is also a data type. Now it's time to take a deep dive into one step ahead. After the main function name, there is an open curly bracket and a close braces. There is an open braces and a close braces basically. These are nothing but the signature of the function. We will discuss more about it in our future lecture series. Next to it, there is an open curly bracket and a closed curly bracket. So this indicates that the entire body of the function. Now it's time to cheer. We have gained lots of idea. We have covered the green part. Let's move further. Now in main function, our first line is CLRSCR, and next to it we put a semicolon. So it means that we want to clear the screen and we want to erase all the previous data which would available on the screen. And earlier we had a very good discussion about CLRSCR function, came from a conio.h file. Now the question is why we need to put or use a semicolon. Well, it's a syntax. Basically who developed the language, they put some rules and regulation, but the methodology is computer can understand that line or a statement has completed once the computer read the semicolon. Our next line is a cout, hello dear, and I'm also put a semicolon after it. Now here cout stand for a computer or a console out, and this arrow symbol you can see, this symbol called insertion operator in a C++ language. Now here is a hello dear is our message which we want to print on our console, and lastly semicolon which told the compiler that the statement has ended. Now there is a one more function available in our program which is get function, also come from a conio.h file. Once the compiler read the get.ch function, compiler wait till the user press any keyboard key. The get.ch function has a two layer. The first one is a get and the second one is a ch, which means a character, which means get a character. Till not get any character, the screen is visible to you. So you can hold our output here with the help of get.ch function. Now it's time to celebrate. We have completed all the things which we should have know about the programming language, the simple program, how the simple C++ program works. And thanks for your patience. I will be come back with another one. Till then, take care.